Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be working on a Jaguar XJL, and a little bit of background history on the car. The car has gone through a small little accident, some repairs has been done, and out of good service, the paint shop actually polished the entire car, which caused quite some damages on the paint, holograms, swirls, you name it, we have it. So besides the hologram and swirl damage, there is actually some bird shit or bird dropping etching right on the bonnet, right here and here, and on you can see the white parts on the bonnet. So that is pretty bad. And also, due to aging, I believe the glossy black plastic has faded into like a matte texture, like here. So it's pretty bad, but it's not to the extent that I cannot recover it. So I'm not sure about the bird dropping etching, so I guess we have to find out together. So stay tuned, guys, watch on, everything in the cinematic sequence as usual, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm a Niger up in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my. On my job rate, grinding so hard, keeping up the work rate, swerving through the board till I checkmate, hop in the level till I reach the skyscraper. I'm so high right now, the smell of success got me so lean right now, tracks upon tracks, I got them stacked up now, I try to tell them no you're wrong, they wanna act up now. My would you, happy shit on fair for you, show fair for you. I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm a Niger up in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I am so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my. Okay, I got some season. One pop for that main course. Hit the track like a racehorse. Grind hard like a skateboard, and we ride hard to a stable. 2 spots in 4 families, 6 hustles, 8 jobs. Grind hard till we make more. Come on, spend the dough till we make more. Diamonds on the wrist, that's the arm way. Me and Como in the kitchen with that hardware. If they talking 2016, Rich 32 voice. Oh yeah. I'm 100 and I'm getting it.
Mulama, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I am so.
Yo guys, it's 9:30 at night and I am freaking tired from working on this car. I got the car to probably a 90% kind of condition, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Check this out. I wouldn't say there's no swirls, but it's a minimum swirl condition. So I'm now waiting for the owner to come and pick up the car, and then I can rest for the rest of the day, which the rest of the day is just a few hours left. So I guess you guys saw everything on the cinematic. I think the hardest part to correct was the black trims, but I kind of got it to a level that is acceptable. I mean, it's pretty hard to get it to a flawless kind of restoration, but that is as much as it can go. So I mean, well, that's all for the video. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon.